Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can install application on Windows 10 or 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer, and if we want to install application, we need to go to the Microsoft Store. You can go to the Microsoft Store application that is shown by this icon, and you just need to search for the application you want to install. You can go to the search menu right here, and for example, I'm going to install TikTok application. Okay, and then you can click on the application you want to install and click on this get button, and after that the application will be installed on your computer or laptop. But if you don't have this application, this Microsoft application on your Windows, I recommend you to go to your browser and then you can search for the Microsoft Store website. Okay, you can open up this website and then install application from this website. Alright guys, and that's all the way to install application on Windows 10 or 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.